Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys. This is going to be a small Dollar Tree haul. So the items I'm going to mention today, these things are just going to help you get through your gift wrapping process. So if you're interested in seeing what cute items the Dollar Tree has to offer, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I found this cute flashing headband, and I was so excited to find this. If you watched my last Dollar Tree haul, you saw that I found the flashing necklace. Well, here's the headband, and I was gonna wear it throughout the video today, but you wouldn't be able to see it when I actually sit up, so I'm not gonna wear it today, but I do think I'm gonna wear this to my Christmas party that we're having at work this week coming up. So yes, I'm gonna be that annoying person at work, and I don't care. So yeah, I thought this was super cute. The lights on here do flash. It does have the little tag in there, so it's not gonna work until I pull that out. I don't want to pull it out just yet because I want the battery to last till Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, because I'm probably gonna be wearing it then too, because you know, that's just me. So let's just get into the haul. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need in your gift wrapping process is obviously wrapping paper. So you guys know, if you watched my last Dollar Tree haul video, that the color scheme I had for my Christmas tree and my Christmas decor pretty much is gold. And so I found this beautiful gold wrapping paper. I do like to try to wrap all my gifts in the same color scheme that match my decor and my tree. So yeah, so I found this beautiful gold wrapping paper at the Dollar Tree, and let's see, I got 3 rolls, and it says that there is 15 square feet, so it's really not that much paper on there, but I did get 3 rolls of this, and if I can show you the print that's on it, so it's a gold paper, but then it has Christmas trees in white. So I just thought that was really pretty, and yeah, it just goes all the way around. So I got 3 rolls of that, and then I got 2 rolls of this wrapping paper. Both of these are different. So this one says different things. It says Happy Holidays on there. I think it just says Happy Holidays, just in different fonts, and some of it is in black, but then here you see it's like in cursive kind of writing, and then here it's in white bold print. So yeah, so I thought that was kind of cute, and it would, you know, kind of switch it up a little bit from the one with the Christmas trees. And then this one is gold as well, but it has some white and silver ornaments on it. So here's an ornament here. Let's see, here's a silver ornament there, silver ornament there. So I just thought that was really cute. It's different, and it'll kind of help break it up a little bit from having the same print with the Christmas trees. So yeah. Okay, so once you pick out your wrapping paper and you're picking out your boxes that you need to wrap, maybe it's a clothing box or something like that, you're gonna need some gift tissue to go in there to help, you know, make the presentation complete. So I picked up some gift tissue, and there's only 6 sheets in here. I did pick up 3 packs, but you know, Dollar Tree does have other options of gift tissue that come with more sheets in them, but I just thought these were so cute, I just could not leave them there. This one has like a plaid print, so it's like black, red, and gold plaid, and then you get like a contrasting sheet that's solid. So this one comes with a green sheet, and I thought this set was just really cute, really pretty. It'll be a nice contrast to the just gold wrapping paper. So I picked up that one. You also would have seen me pick these up if you watched my shop with me that I posted last week. So if you didn't see that video, go check that one out. The other set of gift tissue that I picked up is this one. It has gold paper, but if you can see, it has some white, there it is, white Christmas trees in there with a little star at the top. And then the contrasting solid sheet that you get in that one is red. Super cute. It's the same print on the back. And then the last sheet that I got is this gold and red set as well. And it says things like season's greetings, Santa Claus, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, and things like that. Super cute. Right? Super cute. So like I said, there's only 6 sheets in here, but Dollar Tree does have other packs of gift tissue that come with more sheets in them, so you would get more bang for your buck with those. But I just thought these were so cute and they match the theme that I'm going with, so I decided to pick up these. Okay, so the next few things that I picked up, these are just some things that you're gonna need to have on hand, period, if you're gonna be gift wrapping. So you're gonna need some tape. I picked up this pack. It's a 2-pack of the Scotch transparent tape. I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm not really for sure how much a roll of Scotch tape goes for, but I figured 2 for $1 has to be a pretty good deal. And then I also picked up some batteries, because you just never know when you're gonna need batteries, and you don't want to not have batteries at a time when you need batteries. That's the worst, and nobody wants to go out on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day to hunt down batteries. So I picked up a pack of the AA batteries. There's 8 in there, and I picked up a pack of AAA batteries. There's 8 in there as well, and I feel like, you know, Dollar Tree is a good place to pick up things like this, just to have on hand in case you need them. Okay, so now that we have our packages wrapped in our gold wrapping paper and adorned with our gold and red and green festive tissue paper, now it's time to add your gift tags. And so, believe it or not, the Dollar Tree actually has some really cute gift tags. So I picked up a couple. So this set right here is really cute. And let's see, you get 16 pieces in here. So you get the gift tags. This one looks like a Santa Claus hat, and this one is like a little ornament with snowflakes. But if you turn it over in the back, it gives you the string to tie them on. Excuse me, the string to tie to your packages. So that's really cute. I really like these. And then in this set, you get the poinsettia flowers with the snowflakes, and it comes with your strings as well. And this is a 16-piece set also. And this set is actually my favorite. This is a 20-piece set right here. And you get a set with the stripes. This one says joy. This is like a little checkered plaid, whatever you call that print. And then this one has the reindeer on it, and it has the little holly leaves right there. I think that's so cute. And then this one, you get the strings attached or included as well. And this is a 20-piece set. Super duper cute. I love to add things like this with like ribbons and things like that onto my packages instead of just like a typical standard bow. You know, I like to kind of, I don't know, I like to kind of play around with my gift wrapping and, you know, just add little things here and there. Some I will just put a bow, but then sometimes, you know, I'm just like, you know what, it needs a little something extra. I don't know, I'm extra, so I like to do that. And, you know, I just feel like people appreciate it when you take time to like make their packages look special and things like that. So yeah, so I like to do things like this. And I don't know, I was thinking about maybe doing like a gift wrap with me so you can see how I wrap my Christmas presents and things like that. So I'm thinking about doing that. Stay tuned for that video to come during this 12 Days of Christmas series that I'm doing. Okay guys, so last but not least, If you're not into gift wrapping and all that jazz, then Dollar Tree also has some really cute gift bags. So I just had a brain fart there for a moment. They have really cute gift bags. They come in all sizes, shapes, colors, designs, as you can imagine. So I did pick up a couple gift bags, and I'll go ahead and show you the ones that I got right here. So this one says Deck the Halls. It's really cute, and let's see, it's a pretty good size bag. And it's just the same decoration on this side as well, and it's that print on the inside on the inseam right there. So I picked this bag up, and then I picked up this bag you would have seen me pick up in my shop with me video that I did, but it's this super duper huge bag. If I can get the whole thing in the frame here. That's how big it is. But yeah, these are a great deal because who knows how much these bags would cost at like Walmart or Target or Party City. So to get this size gift bag for $1 at the Dollar Tree is a steal. And let's see, the inside just has the same print. It says Christmas, snow, holiday, cheer, jingle, Merry Christmas, Noel, all those festive sayings, but it also has Christmas trees and snowflakes and things like that on it. So yeah, I will probably go back and get another one of these just because I think I'm gonna have some bigger items that I'm not gonna have a box for. That would just be better to go into a gift bag. So I'll probably go back and get more, maybe one or two more of these. And yeah, so if you need a big bag like this, I would definitely check out the Dollar Tree because that's probably going to be your best bet if you're hoping to save a buck or two. Also at Dollar Tree, I don't have any here just because I don't need that, but they do have the, I think they're called bicycle gift bags. They're like huge, like plastic type bags that are to cover larger items like a bike or I don't know, probably like a dollhouse or something like that. So if you need something like that, I would definitely head to Dollar Tree. Go now because those types of things fly off the shelves and they probably won't get any more in. So I know it's still early, but when it comes to finding the really good items at the Dollar Tree, the key is to shop early. So don't wait till the last minute to think that you're still gonna find, you know, these little hidden gems at the Dollar Tree because 9 times out of 10 everyone else has found them already. So that's why I like to bring you guys these Dollar Tree hauls so that you are aware, like, hey girl, if this is what you're looking for, head on over to the Dollar Tree because, you know, you can save a coin, and who doesn't want to save a coin? So yeah, so definitely check out Dollar Tree for all of your gift wrapping needs. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's Dollar Tree haul. It was a small haul, but these are the items that I need to be able to get started gift wrapping all of my Christmas presents that I have so far. And so be sure to head out to your local Dollar Tree so that you can find some of these gift wrapping items to suit your decor. I have a gold theme at my house, but you know, they have several different colors. Any color you can think of, they have in gift wrap and bows and ribbons and tags and all of that stuff at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I know we get caught up spending money during the holiday season, but if you can save some money here or there, then definitely do that. So yeah, I want to thank you for watching this video today. I hope that you found it helpful. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps me out a lot. Thumbs up this video, that helps me out a lot as well. It lets me know if you're enjoying these types of videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.